Hadian balami kubor hagilat patai kubor bat kerensan baper ke social media bagladan ke jingpom miki diang ha apa shilong na gebenta ke jing temu ban penhe ke surok. Dan ke bala kerjaan ke ni ke jing temu duk baong ba amban sia ban pom ha bakwa aki kampen roy. Kat badan pat ke bala persya ke ni ke jing temu duk baong bakalong ke jing penjot ya kemariang. Kaying Syari Meghalaya High Court ak balang jengkatayo kalathaw ka High Power Committee bakenthop iki sangut ki dekhot ban khmi halor ke jingpom iki ding bilat dangshan ha apa shillong na kebenta ban penhe ek surok shillong dauki tamabil. Kaying Syari kalathaw ki ka committee ha babishar ya ka Public Interest Litigation PIL ka bamudoi persya ek jing syapom ki ding se bilat ha surok apa shillong. Ka Division Bench berkentup Chief Justice Biswanath Somadar, bad Justice HS Thangkeo, kalaong baya ka High Power Committee lathaw na kabenta ban kemi ikene kejung ujor kumbala kadaw ha kamakot uma. Pala aipor ikene ka committee bakan ai ka kaipot ke babnia ha ka sien syong bishar ke banwan. Hadin kejing tokit ke babnia bahai ikene kejing pomdiang bad hadin kejing let jurep ke jaka. Kayeng Syari kalaong ru baka High Power Committee kala ru ban ajing mut hakmat kayeng Syari halor kilat kelenti ban penbet ya kene kejing uat kumbala kedau ha ka PIL klem de ya pen ya kejing penek pensa ya kidiang na kamariang bat halor kejing penhe bat kejing shna pen bahaya ke surok. Kidkhot jang High Power Committee ki kenthop Advocate General Amit Kumar, Senior Advocate Bayasat ya ka PIL Kostov Paul, unang mikmat na katanat Forest but Environment, unang mikmat na ka National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited, but uwe udukot ni kiriupat ba Ujivat Vaswani bajukot sin ubablu. Kayeng Syari kelabo bancang bishar biang ya kene ka mukot duma hadian laitayo. Habatuat jengmut halor kene kejing pomdiang. Menteri rang ba kejela Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulapen pau ya kejing bamdan jeng tip AA ya kene kejing pomdiang. Habaong ba mau bat ko kurim jeng u kidon ha Guwahati ha kene kesengi baja. Uyatho badai hadian kejing pentip joki babon balang bula shim kia benekran bat ki officer bat batharu bakin let kmi dela de ya ke ai ke baja ban pentikena ba omdai ban chupom mi kidiang kam tam mi kiding se bilat ki balang kum kejing thong ki bahab ban pensa akan mau.
And in the morning, of course, when I saw this, I was of the opinion that the land and the areas and the trees which were not meant to be cut were cut. This was what I was made to believe. I was in Guwahati that morning. So therefore, it was a surprise to me. And I was very upset that how come they went beyond the, the discussed numbers. And therefore, before, it went to a point where they would just go into some kind of a situation where they would cut everything. I told the team that, wait, stop it, let us re-verify whether they are following the planned route or not. Because when I got the calls, I have messages from very, very senior people, which I don't want to name, and they told me that these are 150-year-old trees. So I told them that they're not being cut. Then those people said they are being cut. So when I was in Shillong, I was in Guwahati, I could not verify. So I said that, well, whatever the case may be, before it gets too late, let me ensure that just a moment, it's a matter of 2, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, we'll just stop it. And then we'll see. So when that happened, then I got confirmed report. Immediately I asked ACS Forest and PWD to go to the spot and send me pictures, live pictures, whether what I'm getting in the social media is correct, that in spite of the roots being set, they're still cutting those trees, or is it just a misunderstanding? So therefore, till the ACS went there at 11 o'clock, wrote back to me saying that, sir, those areas are not cut, and they will not be cut. I was reassured, and that's when we allowed. But now there's some kind of a case also, so we're waiting for the High Court to give its order. But that was the reaction that we had that time, because yes, those trees are, JICA has been very sensitive to all these issues. They have not just protected the trees, but they have also said the monoliths that are there along the way, the different kind of livelihood for the people. So JICA, this project was postponed, or I should say postponed by 6 months more, simply to ensure that minimum damage would be there to the environment, because Japanese are very, very sensitive to these matters, very sensitive to culture. So you will see that a lot of monoliths along the way have been left out, a lot of trees as much as possible has been left out, and obviously those trees which are 100, 150 years old trees have been left out.